Hi, welcome to Technologic Expert World. Today I will show you that how to solve the error of npm create React native application. So in this video I will show you that how to solve the error comes from the initialization of the application of React Native, and in this video you are seeing the npm init. That is the normal concept of cmd command to initialize the application folder. And here our application folder name is React app. You can see here the notice as updated for the npm installation, and npm installation minus globally means the npm installation global, because it is required for the React native application initialization. And now I am using the npm fund. This is solving our npm installation globally. Sometimes some file not downloaded, so that's why we use the npm fund command. Now come to the React minus version, but I have checked it out for that the React has downloaded previously or not. So now come to the npm installation React app, React init. So this cmd command used for the React native app initialization before the installation of React app. Now you can see the npm installation is working globally, but our previous command and the global command is same and no vulnerabilities is there, so it's already done. Now come to the npm create React app and your application name that will be initialized inside the React app folder. Because my application name is React app, so you can select or you can name it on your own word. So you can see here I am using the npm create React app apple pie. Apple pie is the application name, and now it's come to the proceed. So first of all you need to understand that what kinds of command is asking to you. Here you can see the external apps directory. So you need to select yes on every command. Now it will take some time to process. So you can see here the apple pie application has successfully initialized, and you can see here inside the folder React app, and now you can see find out the apple pie application. And inside the apple pie application the apps is the main folder where you need to write the code, and other dependency is outside of the app, and it almost the all dependency and all files will be stored inside the apple pie. That is selected by your application name and npm create React native app, then your app's name. And now I am trying to start the project. That npm start is the command for initialize after initialization to start the React native application. But here the React native application is not working, because if it works correctly you can see the React logo inside your screen or inside your web browser. But here in some of the cases and some of the dependency or folder problem is shown, so that's I am trying to solve, and you can see here. And in my next video you will get the solution and get the exact command for two open the create React Native app successfully, and in my next video you will get the result successfully. So I hope in this video you have get some error and logical problem and how to solve it. Everything I have shown here, and after that my upcoming new video you will follow up and try to solve by own. So thanks for visiting us in my channel. If you are coming for the first time, please try to subscribe because it's valuable for my channel, and thanks for visiting us again.